shoulder level, writing block, and this is straight upward. Ready? One. Shoulder level. Makikita mo naman yan.
Tanan niyo mga naong dito.
Wala mo ng power. Dito mo na. One. Yeah. Every movement you have to understand. Every technique is an application. So, kailangan gawin mo ng tama. Ready? Two. Okay. Opposite side. Shift lang. Yung bigat dito, ilipat lang sa kanan. One. To the level. One is backstab. One is like block. And that is of your body. The same. Emphasize ito. One. This is flattening and this is counter punch. This is flattening and this is counter punch. You have to understand that. Ready? Cut! Now this time, half stance. Half stance, half stance. Ang half stance dito is dyan lang.
Smile,
Dyan lang.
Video ni Loy.
Kick at the
Gansa ka. Video na.
Five step in and back way.
Igos ni Dos, sipaan.
One. Two.
Sipaan sa stallion.
One.
Video.
Then, massage, okay. Pari. Dito muna, Mauna lang, mauna yan, tapos maluwag na agad. Birang ka. Now, this one, yung elbow, nakapatong ito sa first dual is for arm. Hindi dito. Dito dito yung patong lang. Okay? Now, turn left, back stance na ganda. One! 45 degrees.
Si Pindog, si Glihok.
Now this side, ito, mahirap. Third center, reverse, stand block. Okay na? One! Play. Okay, observe. Mula dito The moment you move, yung dalawang kamay sabay na yan. Ikuot na lang dito. Huwag mong i-travel. Dito lang mo From this position, yung kanan na kamay, pag move mo to the center, squeeze. Release. Yan lang yan. Now do it now. Release. Yes. One. Ayan. Okay. Tapos, yung inside block naka-align sa katawan. Hindi siya lalabas o sobra. Align na siya.
Side.
Okay? Yung hit. But this time, full snap kick. Huwag mong galawin to Huwag mong galawin. Hindi. Stand by. Pagbaksak ng paa, hindi ako tuti. Ay! Now this time, mula dyan, i-form mo muna na Uchi-uchi. Then you release using your head. So ano? Form muna ng inside block, then you release using your head. Malakas, Ready? Ay! Ulit. Hindi ganyan. Hindi. Form mo na nga inside block dito. This is inside block. Then release. Boom. Ready. One. Sa paa. Then, front snap kick. Ganun din. Huwag mong galaw. Huwag mong galaw. Straight lang. Then, baba. Hat! Then, augmented block. Augmented block. Kung hindi siya augmented block, anong block ito? Kung hindi siya augmented,
Inside.
inside block lang. Wala ito. Kapag hindi augmented, inside block lang. Augmented meaning, may support siya dito. Number 8 na. Hindi. Pag augmented block, get the basic form of inside block. One! Yan. Now, twist. Gidan ba right to the left? Again, don't forget paano. Twist your head. One! Yan. Practice mo lang ha. You apply that in the play. Until time, open first. Until okay. Okay. See. Open. Right. Now next. Ito. Ilan ba right? Lock. Laging lock. One. Okay. Open first. Open. Lock. Now six. Everybody six. Six more time. Everybody up. Oh, you need to.